Hey, good morning, everybody, or good evening out there to everyone watching this video right now. Wow, the crypto market has been up and down all over the place, especially now with the geopolitical tensions and, all out war now in Ukraine with Russia. We've seen the market nosedive and then come all the way back up almost to 40,000 in the span of a couple days. And crypto is super, super volatile. Just remember, these markets are much, much different than any other markets out there. 10% swings one way or another is the norm, especially during choppy times in the market, which we've seen for the last 2, 3 weeks. We're going to take a look at where we're at in terms of Bitcoin. As we know, Bitcoin drives the entire market up. We'll take a look at some of the big large cap plays as well and see where we're at. And there's one small cap I want to talk about. One of my favorites. It's in my portfolio. I've talked about it briefly here on the channel before. I want to talk about that one. It's up 122% right now. We're going to get into that in this video as well. So right here off the top, go ahead and like the smash button, subscribe to the channel if you're getting value here each and every day. And let's go over to CoinMarketCap and see where we're at today. And we can see, look at this, Bitcoin roaring back today, up 10%. The overall market is as well, actually about 10.5% now. I just refreshed. Look at that. Bitcoin is up to 39,000 and some change. Ethereum knocking on the door of 2,700 again. The prices dipped heavily over the past couple of days. We saw Bitcoin get down into the 34,000 range just to reverse here, back up to 39K. Solana's back up to $90. If we scroll on down here, you can see Shiba Inu's back up about 12% today. That's back up to the 2445 range, which is good to see. You can see Uniswap is having a nice bounce back day. A lot of crypto assets. Look at Decentraland, Mana. We talk about this one quite a bit. 15% reversal. Phantom, 20% reversal. So just at the snap of a finger, everything was down 10 to 15% to 20%. And then all you got to do is wait 24 hours in this crypto market, and we're gaining everything we lost right back. Now, will it last? That's the big question, because we still have the ongoing war that's going on with Russia and Ukraine. We've also got some things happening with just inflation in the United States. Joe Biden was supposed to talk about crypto regulation this week. Of course, we believe that moved to the back burner because of the war that's going on with Ukraine and Russia. Yesterday, he came out and made a statement regarding that and what the United States is going to do. Now, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that the price of Bitcoin hit a low of 34.3 within pretty much the last 24 hours. This was yesterday, shortly after the Ukraine issue and incident began. And it has climbed its way back to 38.5 at the time of this writing, but we just saw it's up over 39K after an unexpected short squeeze may have wrapped bearish investors on the knuckles. Now, will it last, or is this just kind of a bear trap where we're bouncing back up to the levels where we were and then going to come back down? I don't know. We'll have to continue to watch it. I did move some money back into stable coins personally. That's what I did. Of course, not financial advice, just kind of giving you a peek behind the curtain, what I'm thinking. I did move some money back into stable coins for one reason. One reason is because I want to have money on the sidelines in case we dip lower. And number two, I just want to mitigate some risk right now because of the choppiness in the market. So that's why I did that. Now, I want to end the video by talking about a small cap that is absolutely crushing it. And this is Apollo Inu. Apollo Inu is up 121% right now. Matt Johnson, their CEO, was on with Your Pop last night in an AMA. And I think, personally, new people are starting to see what their vision is for this project. If you take a look at the 7-day chart, it dumped like everything else did with the Ukraine news. But look at this reversal. It got down here to the 2285 level, all the way back up to the 64 level, which is absolutely insane just in a very short amount of time. If we zoom out here and take a look at the 1 month, we could see what this thing has done. We had a nice consolidation period here from about January 26th all the way to February 14th. Look at that straight line movement. And what we always talk about, when we see that consolidation period, usually a big breakout is coming, especially for these small caps. And that's exactly what we saw. Look at the breakout happen in February about 10 days ago. And it has then consolidated, then another breakout. And right now we're in the midst of a huge uptrend here with Apollo Inu. It's never in people's best interest to buy at the top, right? But maybe you wait for a little bit of a pullback. If you like this one, I encourage you to read the white paper. Look what they're doing. They're creating a community DAO and essentially helping creative people fund their creative projects, right? There are a lot of creative people out there without the financial means to really take their skill to the next level, create a business because of it. Listening to Matt last night, they plan on hopefully giving out to various creators 10 to 50 grand per week to help fund various projects once this DAO is situated. There is money going into that DAO on every buy and every sell right now. And that number continues to rise. And you can actually see that wallet and you kind of look through their tokenomics and see what they've done. Really cool thing about Apollo Inu too, they have not spent a dime on marketing. I was not paid to talk about Apollo Inu here at all. I was an early investor, day one, jumped in and believed in their vision, believed in Matt's background as well as a software engineer, and it is really performing well. So I'm happy about that. So just wanted to keep that on your radar as well. And let me know your thoughts about the general market right now. Obviously a great green day, nice bounce back day, and we'll continue to monitor things as it relates to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because we know that drives the entire market either up or down. So as always, thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it very much. And don't forget to subscribe if you're here day in, day out, and appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.